Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I wanted to show you how to check for your lift points. If you come underneath the vehicle over here, you're going to notice that this is a full frame vehicle. What that means is that you have a frame that goes all the way from the front of the vehicle, whee, all the way down to here, right? From the front to the rear. That's pretty awesome, especially when it comes to lifting up the vehicle. So, with that said, you have a lot of options on where you can put the lift, or your jacking points, we'll say, assuming you've got a jack or a lift, whatever you've got. You can put it anywhere on the frame, okay? This is all frame. See where we put ours right here? We've got one right here, up as close to the front as we can. We came back here. We could have went on the frame right there. You can also go on this right here, okay? This is nice and sturdy. You want to stay away from this. Okay, this is where your fuel tank is, so you definitely don't want to jack anything up there. You don't want to jack anything up on your exhaust, super important. Just stay with something solid like the frame. Come right over here, we get it in the same exact spot. If you're lifting up all four corners, you jack from the same areas. If you have a jack stand, you want to set up a jack stand, do the same thing. Put a jack stand right here, right next to where you're lifting, okay? Also right up front, you'll notice there's a nice squared off area right up here. If you wanted to, you could put a jack stand there. And the same thing right over here. Don't put a jack stand or your jack anywhere on any of this. If it sounds like tin, it probably is. It's not very strong. It's not going to hold up the weight of the vehicle. While you're in the back, if you wanted to jack up the rear end and be able to have both sides of the wheels off the ground, you can come right underneath the pumpkin right here, okay? Jack up the whole differential, and then put your jack stand someplace maybe right here and right here. Okay? You need to make sure you have jack stands. Jack it right there, or if you needed to, you could jack it right here if you're just doing one side. Easy peasy. With that said, anytime that you're underneath the vehicle, whether you're under a jack or under a lift, you want to make sure that you're safe and secure at all times. Your safety is paramount. Well, that's pretty much it. If you need any parts, check us out, 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.